But we're very happy to have her in the flight these days. She's one of only 2 Lancasters left flying in the world, the other one's in Canada. And I'm going to let you enjoy the combined sound of the 4 Rolls-Royce Merlins and the 1 Rolls-Royce Griffon engine as they fly by in train. There is the Spitfire pulling away. The Lancaster continues the Scottish coast. And of course the legend of the Spitfire was really forged in the sky in production. Probably closing. Tony Taylor brings the Lancaster back in front of us. Sir George Edwards said of the aircraft, Sir George Edwards, grand old man of British aviation, died in 2003. This was an aircraft designed at others. It represents a tangible link between the modern Royal Air Force and its illustrious forefathers. I would commend you all, so that's an order from the Queen, when you next hear or see these aircraft, remember not only those who died serving this country in the air, but spare a thought for those